रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। 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 रघुपति राघव राम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम
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 सीताराम।
What is Sitaram? What is Sita? What is Ram? Ram is Atma Ram. Sita is Shakti. So, Sitaram is energetic Atma, not energyless Atma. Right? Sitaram is energetic Atma. Ram is there, but Sita is gone. So Atma is there, energy is not there. Yes or no? Who took away Sita? Ravana. Who is Ravana? Mind. So when the mind plane is there, Atma loses its energy. Yes? So you have to kill the mind. You have to kill the Ravana. Get back the Sita. Right? So the mind, because of the 10-headed hydra. This is 10-headed hydra. Okay, Dashakanta. Okay, so this 10-headed hydra mind, the Atma loses the energy. Huh? Yes? So, if you want to get back the Sita, Rama is crying because Sita is gone. Yes or no? Yes. Where is the happiness for Rama without Sita? Yes or no? But Sita is gone. Because of the mind, because of the Ravana. Then, mind has to be killed. Then Rama cannot kill Ravana unless Hanuman comes in. Hanuman the breath comes in. So he sends the breath. Now you use the breath, you cross the ocean. Okay, you overcome all Ravana. Then see where Sita is. So your breath helps you discover your Shakti again. Right? Yes sir? So, then with the help of the breaths, Sena, Vanara Sena, and lot of breath beings, lot of meditation, then Atma gets back its Sita, kills the Ravana. This is meditation science. All Ramayana is nothing but meditation. What happens before meditation? What happens after meditation? Before meditation, everybody is only Rama, not Sita Rama. After meditation, everybody becomes Sita Rama. That is the concept. Right? सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. सन्मति कहां से मिलेगा आपको? बाजार में मिलेगा सन्मति? आटा मिलेगा बाजार में, सन्मति थोड़ी मिलेगा. हाँ? किस बाजार में मिलेगा सन्मति? ध्यान की बाजार में, है ना? जब तक आप ध्यान नहीं करेंगे, सन्मति कैसे मिलेगी आपको? क्या मेरे जेब से आपको देऊं सन्मति? सन्मति दे भगवान. ऊपर कोई है क्या देने वाला? ऊपर कोई भी नहीं है सन्मति देने वाला. कितना भी प्रार्थना करेगा, कुछ फल नहीं मिलेगा प्रार्थना से. प्रार्थना से फल नहीं मिलेगा, साधना से फल मिलेगा. साधना, प्रार्थना बिटुबड़ी, साधना ಕೈಗಿಡಿ. ಜಪಾನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? You have to learn Kannada. It's true. So, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. Nobody will give you sanmati. You have to earn sanmati. Okay? If you go to M.S. Subbulakshmi, can she give music to you? She cannot give music. You have to practice music. Yes or no? If you go to Buddha, he cannot give you sanmati. Yes or no? You have to become a Buddha by daily practice. Yes? Sadhana marga. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಾಧನೆ 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 ಸಾಧನೆ. ಸಂಗೀತ ಬೇಕು, ಸಾಧನೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಬೇಕು, ಸಾಧನೆ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಸಾಧನೆ. I had to go and see the match, second day today, India Australia. I don't know what is happening. So, Sanmati comes from Dhyana sadhana, number 1. Sanmati comes from Swadhyaya sadhana, number 2. Sanmati comes from Sajjana Sangatya sadhana, number 3. Okay? Dhyana, Swadhyaya, Mattu, Sajjana Sangatya is equal to Sanmati. No Dhyana, no Swadhyaya, no Sajjana Sangatya, no Sanmati. Zero Sanmati. 5 kg ध्यान, 5 kg स्वाध्याय, 5 kg सज्जन संगत्या, टोटल 15 kg सन्मति. अरे वाह, 15 kg, 5 + 5 + 5, है ना? 100 kg ध्यान, 100 kg स्वाध्याय, 100 kg सज्जन संगत्या, 300 kg सन्मति. 300 kg, बाबा, क्या बात है. हाँ? जितना ज्यादा ध्यान करेंगे, जितना ज्यादा आप स्वाध्याय करेंगे और सज्जन संगत, उतना ही आपका सन्मति. सन्मति इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ध्यान, स्वाध्याय ಮತ್ತು सज्जन संगत. प्लीज से एवरीबॉडी, सन्मति is directly proportional to ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಮತ್ತು ಕಾದು. Sajjana Sangatya. So, this please take this formula and give to everyone. Okay? Again say, Sanmati is equal to, sorry, is directly proportional. You know, is equal to is this. Directly proportional is this side. Understand? Which side? Say like this. You know mathematics, isn't it? Okay. Please say, Sanmati. Action. Sanmati is directly proportional to Dhyana, Swadhyaya, Bhaktu. Sajjana Sangha. Claps for Sanmati. You have Sanmati, then you go on Sanmarga. There is Durmati, then you go Dushtamarga. Yes? Sanmati, Satyamarga. Without Sanmati, can you go Satyamarga? Sanmati is required to go on Satyamarga. Because only through Sanmati, you discover what is Sanmarga, right? So, with Sanmati, you discover Sanmarga, you travel in the Sanmarga, you reach your goal. Okay. All the masters are here, are having Sanmati. That's why they are coming to pyramid. If there is no Sanmati, nobody will come. Yes, sir.